Tired of feeling stuck in the financial rat race? Dreaming of achieving financial freedom and living life on your terms? The good news is, it's not about some magic formula reserved for the privileged few. Today, we're exploring financial habits that can propel you toward the top 1%, even if you're nowhere near there yet. Let's break free from the average and unlock your financial potential. Habit number 1. Embrace delayed gratification. The road to financial freedom is paved with good intentions, but it's delayed gratification that truly separates the top 1% from the rest. It's not about denying yourself everything you enjoy, but rather making conscious choices today for a brighter financial future tomorrow. Here's how to cultivate this powerful habit. 1. Identify your values versus wants. The first step is understanding the difference between your values and fleeting desires. Values are the core principles that guide your life, like security, freedom, or travel. Wants are the temporary pleasures that might not align with your long-term goals. Learn to differentiate. A new pair of shoes might be a want, while investing in a professional development course aligns with your value of career growth. 2. The wait and see rule. Before making an impulse purchase, implement the wait and see rule. Give yourself a designated cooling off period, like 24 or 48 hours. Often, the initial excitement fades, and you realize you can live without the item. This pause allows for a more rational decision, preventing buyer's remorse and protecting your hard-earned money. 3. Reframe your perception of sacrifice. Delayed gratification isn't about deprivation. It's about strategic prioritization. Think of it as an investment. Skipping the daily latte might feel like a sacrifice today, but it translates into more money saved for a dream vacation later. Reframe your mindset. You're not giving something up. You're gaining control over your financial future. Utilize visualization techniques. Seeing is believing. Create a vision board with images that represent your financial goals. A dream home, a comfortable retirement, or traveling the world. Visualizing your goals keeps you motivated and reinforces the value of delayed gratification. Every time you're tempted by an impulse purchase, look at your vision board and remind yourself of the bigger picture. 5. Celebrate small wins. The journey towards financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Did you stick to your budget for a week? Did you save an extra $100 this month? Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself with non-monetary experiences like spending time in nature or reading a good book. Habit number 2. Live below your means, but make it fun. Living below your means often gets a bad rap. People think it means sacrificing everything you enjoy and living a life of deprivation. But that's simply not true. The top 1% understand that financial security allows them to truly enjoy the things that matter, and they achieve this by living below their means in a smart and strategic way. Here's how to transform living below your means into a fun and empowering financial habit. 1. Track your spending. Awareness is key. The first step is understanding where your money goes. Utilize budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to track your spending for a month. This awareness can be eye-opening, revealing areas where you might be mindlessly spending. 2. Identify your why. Knowing your why is crucial for staying motivated. What are you working towards financially? Early retirement? Travel adventures? A dream home? A clear purpose fuels your commitment to living below your means and makes it a conscious choice, not a forced restriction. 3. Differentiate needs versus wants. Not all spending is created equal. Distinguish between your needs, housing, food, utilities, and your wants, fancy dinners, expensive clothing, the latest gadgets. Prioritize fulfilling your needs and find creative ways to satisfy your wants without breaking the bank. 4. Embrace frugal alternatives. Living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing fun. Explore cost-effective alternatives for entertainment. Host potlucks with friends instead of expensive dinners. Visit museums on free admission days, or go for hikes in nature. There's a whole world of free or low-cost activities waiting to be discovered. 5. Find joy in the simple things. Focus on experiences and relationships that bring you genuine joy, not just material possessions. Spend quality time with loved ones, learn a new skill, and volunteer in your community. These experiences enrich your life more than a fleeting purchase ever could. 6. Make saving fun. Saving doesn't have to be a chore. Challenge yourself with a savings game. Track your latte purchases for a month and funnel that money into your savings instead. Set saving goals and reward yourself for reaching them. A weekend getaway or a concert ticket can be great motivators. Habit number 3, invest early and consistently. 1. Start now, even with a little. You don't need a hefty sum to begin your investment journey. The top 1% prioritize starting early, even if it's just a small amount each month. Many investment platforms allow for fractional shares, so you can invest in a portion of a company instead of needing the full price. 2. Power of habit. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account every payday. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures you prioritize investing before you even have a chance to spend the money. Treat it like any other bill, but with the potential for much greater rewards. 3. Choose the right investment vehicle. There are various investment options available, each with its own risk-reward profile. For beginners, consider low-cost index funds. These offer broad diversification across a market sector, minimizing risk while providing long-term growth potential. Research different options and consult a financial advisor if needed to find the right fit for your goals and risk tolerance. 4. Rebalance regularly. Stay on track. Over time, the asset allocation of your investments might shift. For example, the value of your stock holdings might outperform your bond holdings. The top 1% rebalance their portfolios periodically to maintain their desired asset allocation and manage risk. This ensures you stay on track with your long-term investment goals. 5. Tune out the noise. Focus on the long term. The stock market can be volatile, with ups and downs in the short term. The top 1% understand this and don't panic sell when the market dips. They focus on the long term, knowing that over time, the market has historically trended upwards. Stay disciplined, stick to your investment plan, and avoid emotional decisions based on market fluctuations. Habit number 4, multiple income streams. Don't rely on one source. 1. Monetize your skills and hobbies. Do you have a hidden talent or a specific skill set? Turn it into a side hustle. Freelance writing, graphic design, web development, the possibilities are endless thanks to the online marketplace. Even your hobbies can be a source of income. Do you love baking? Sell your creations at a local farmer's market. Are you a photography enthusiast? Offer your services for events or sell your photos online. 2. The sharing economy. Powerhouse. The sharing economy is booming, and you can leverage it to generate income. Do you have a spare room in your house? Rent it out on Airbnb. Own a car you don't use every day? List it on a car-sharing platform. These platforms connect you with people willing to pay for access to your underutilized resources. 3. Passive income power. Passive income streams generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Here are a few ideas. Investing. Stocks, bonds, and real estate can provide regular returns over time. Remember, do your research and invest wisely. Create and sell online courses. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy to reach a global audience. Write an ebook. If you have a passion for a particular topic, consider writing an ebook. This can be a great way to generate passive income, especially if you can build a following around your work. 4. Network and seek opportunities. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with people in your industry or with similar financial goals. Share your ideas, explore collaboration opportunities, and be open to suggestions. You never know where the next income stream might come from. Habit number 5. Embrace calculated risks, but manage them wisely. 1. Do your research and due diligence. Before diving into any risky venture, gather as much information as possible. Research the market, analyze potential returns and risks, and consider different scenarios. The more prepared you are, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. 2. Start small and scale up. Don't go all in on a single risky venture. Instead, start small, test the waters, and learn from your experiences. As you gain confidence and your risk tolerance increases, you can gradually scale up your involvement. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Spread the risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Even when embracing calculated risks, maintain a diversified portfolio. This way, if one venture takes a hit, it won't derail your entire financial plan. 4. Have a plan B, and maybe even a C. Hope for the best, but plan for the worst. Before taking a risk, develop a contingency plan for potential setbacks. What will you do if things don't go according to your initial projections? Having a plan B, or even a C, provides a safety net and reduces stress. 5. Learn from your mistakes. They're inevitable. Taking calculated risks doesn't guarantee success. There will be bumps along the road. The key is to learn from your mistakes and use them to improve your decision-making process for future endeavors. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. By adopting these habits and taking consistent action, you can break free from the average and pave the way toward a life of financial freedom and opportunity. Here's a bonus tip. Surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with people who share your financial goals and can offer support and motivation. What are your top financial habits for success? Leave a comment below and share your strategies with the community. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips.